Mental health challenges, alcohol, substance abuse, stress, isolation, even violence in the home. These are just some of the things that can trigger depression in women and girls.
Whether you're having just overwhelmed with stress and your anxiety is too much, or you're feeling depressed and your emotions are so strong that this is not forever.
As we mentioned at the top of the show, 27% of women struggled with mental health, while 29% of teenage girls in Spokane County have seriously considered suicide. Vanessa Perez shares the stories from two local women.
Well, Nicole Mills and Teresa Tapao-Hunt don't know each other, but they have a few things in common. Both women with mental health struggles. They share what's helped to get them through.
Following a miscarriage 8 years ago, Tapao-Hunt was diagnosed with anxiety and put on medication.
It worked for a while until the pandemic. And just like everybody else in the country, my anxiety got worse, even with medication.
Working with a therapist, she was able to make some lifestyle changes to eating, sleeping habits, and cutting down on things she takes on.
And it's not even that it's pushed onto us by our spouses or anybody else, but we feel this internal drive to be able to do all of it.
Mills struggles with depression and suffered from suicidal thoughts as a child. While in college, she was exposed to therapy, a time she says was eye-opening. She also relies on her faith.
Understanding the love of God, and knowing that, even though things happen, that he's always going to be there to kind of guide us to something better.
Women aren't the only ones struggling in our community. Teen suicidal thoughts are on the rise with pressure from social media.
Particularly impacting young girls and women because of some of the body image issues that might be associated with that, and social norms and expectations that are associated with that for young girls. Just really a lot of pressure coming from that.
Counselors say parental controls are important. It's also good to talk to your teens about suicide. Don't be afraid to reach out for help and lean on those around you.
And if we isolate ourselves because we are worried about the stigma of mental health, then we're actually hindering our ability to heal and our ability to find the tools that we need to be able to get that appropriate help that we need.
These women are just two of many in Spokane County facing mental health struggles.
Now, there is help for anyone struggling with suicidal thoughts. If you're in a crisis, you can call the 24-hour regional crisis line at 1-877-266-1818 or 988. Live in studio, Vanessa Perez, 4 News Now.
Vanessa, thank you.